This video will cover the matching examples on the back page of the Intro to Functions Domain and Range topic. Here are our examples that we're going to go over. This is the first one, example 3. On your papers you have a domain given as 0, 1, 2, 3. We will write our domain 0, 1, 2, 3. Next, we will evaluate our function by substituting the domain value into the equation. Instead of x value, we will substitute 0. 0 minus 1 equals negative 1. Likewise, we will substitute 1. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Substitute 2. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Substitute 3. 12 minus 1 equals 11. That's all we need to do. On the next example, this is your U-try. You have your domain values given. You need to substitute each of them for the equation and get your y values. Let's look at example 4. We have to state the domain and range of the following relation, and we're going to determine whether this is a function or not. To determine our domain, we will take every x value and we will make a list of that. These are ordered pairs. Each ordered pair has x and y value, and our x values are 2, 4, 3, 6, and 5. Our range is a collection of y values: -3, 6, -1, 6 again, and 3. Is this a function or not? I check to see if all the x values are paired with only one y value or not, and in this case I check them. They are all paired up with only one y value, so yes, it's a function. Here's our U-try. Example 5. On this example, we are going to try to list our domain and range, but we need to first identify the points on the graph. I want to write the coordinates on each of them. My coordinates are, for this one, x -2, y -1, x -2, y 2, x -1, y 3, x2, y1, x4, y3, and x3, y -1. All we have to do is to list our domain and range. Our domain is going to be all the x values. I have -2. Because we have -2 twice, I don't have to write it twice. Writing once will represent all the -2s. It wouldn't hurt to write it twice either. -1, 2, 3, and 4. Range, same way. This time we are going to list all the y values. Y values, I will start from left to right again, just like I did for domain, so my numbers are matching. 2, -1, 3, 1, 3, -1. We have repeating terms. You don't have to write the repeating terms twice. If so many terms are repeating, it's enough to just write them once. Let's determine whether this is a function or not. When I look in here, I see that the vertical line test will show the 2 points are touching the vertical line at the same time. Therefore, this is not a function. Let me highlight that section. I have vertical line test is showing that there are 2 points touching at a vertical line at the same time. Therefore, this is not a function. Here's your U-try, and please bring any questions to the class.